Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to create a subteam in Wrike. Unfortunately, Wrike doesn't have a specific feature called subteams. However, you can achieve similar organizational structure within Wrike by using the methods I'm going to mention below. The first method is called user groups. You can create user groups based on their roles, departments, or projects and assign tasks to the entire group, making it easier to manage work for specific teams within your organization. Then that is the first method you can use, like I said. The second method you can use is called the folders and subfolders method. Here, you create a hierarchy structure by using folders or subfolders to organize projects and tasks within your Wrike workspace. You can also place projects related to a specific team or subteam within a dedicated folder. Now, if you don't use this method, you can also use the third method, which is called the custom fields method. Here, you can create custom fields to categorize tasks or projects by team, subteam, or other relevant criteria. Number 4, which is the fourth step, is views. You can use views. How? You can customize your views in Wrike to filter tasks and projects based on team assignments, custom fields, or other criteria. This allows you to easily see the work assigned to specific teams or subteams. For example, the main team may be called marketing, and under marketing we might have subteams like content marketing, social media marketing, and SEO. So you can create folders or use custom fields to organize projects and tasks within these subteams. By utilizing all these methods I mentioned, you can effectively organize your teams and their work within Wrike even without a dedicated subteam feature. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching. I can also name this 4 ways to create a subteam in Wrike. See you in the next video. Bye for now.